Okay, so I'm going to sharpen these blades off of this Cub Cadet. It has this S-type, they're calling it, blade here. And what I've done, and I haven't seen anybody doing this on YouTube, I wanted to have a level place. So this board is level across here. So when I go to balance this, and I put a mark on here, I've got it upside down. Here we go. You see this pencil mark I put on here? I hope you can see that. The center of this blade was 10 9/16. So that's what I'm going to use to balance this. Now you can see right now, this old blade, I mean, I have whacked it to death. And these blades are so dull here. The last few cuts I was doing, I don't think I was cutting grass, I was just wearing it out. But anyway, so I'm going to fix these blades up, sharpen them. I bought a new set that I put on there, and this will be my backup set. So I'm going to sharpen it, and I'll show you these tools I bought to do that. There was some build up on these blades, so I'm just going to wire brush that off. I'm going to put this camera down so I can use two hands. Well, being true, I'll show you my stupid as well as I show you my smart. But this thing is a heck of a lot easier to just clean off with a sharp edge. Comes right off of there than it was with that wire brush and that drill. That was not the easiest task, but this is. So hang on, we'll be sharpening these things in just a minute. Now I do want to let you know I did use that brush a little bit on that back. It's kind of concave, so I don't know any other reasons to do that than that buildup might affect the balancing. So that's the only reason I'm doing it. Okay, so what I have is one of these grinding stones with that guide on the back. Now I've done this a couple of times here. This is going to take, I mean, it's easy to use, but as dull as these blades are, it's going to take a while to do this. And I don't know if you can see me or not, but yeah, I have on some safety goggles. Okay, I'm going to keep doing this. I'm not going to make you watch this whole thing. There are 4 sides to this, so I'll be back in a few days. Okay, you're learning along with me here. So something I did, I moved this over closer to the post so that there wasn't any downward movement of the blade. And this thing actually, this little tool worked pretty good. After it got going back and forth through there and smoothing out some of the heavier bumps and nicks, then it started to get a heck of a lot easier to just glide it back and forth across that blade there. So that's one side down, and it didn't take near as long as I thought it would. So I've got 3 sides to go, and then we'll have this project completed. There, now this is what I was after. You can see here, that's still just a little bit off, but I'm not building a doggone space shuttle. That's close enough for cutting grass as far as I'm concerned. But you can see how this little stone really shined up this edge. It's not perfect by any means, but I bet it's better than it was when it came on the lawnmower. So that, when I put these on there, should really cut some grass. Now there is something I wanted to say. I really have used this thing a lot rougher than probably what it was designed for. Now the reason these blades were so messed up right now when I sharpened them is because when I first started cutting this grass, I mean, there were stumps, roots, rocks, and stuff that you would run over and hit, you know, not seeing it. And so over a period of time, that stuff has been eliminated. So now I drive around here a heck of a lot easier than I did to start with. Now I filled a lot of holes. I think there were holes around here left over from decaying stumps. So I've got a whole big pile of dirt over here that I'm using to fill these holes up as I go. But I have a yearly, today is the 19th of June, and I bought this thing on the 23rd last year, I think it was. So I'm going to have a yearly review coming up, and I'll show you some of the stuff that I've really sent this through. But right now I've got a spare set of blades sharpened up, ready to go. And that was my goal for today. So I don't know, how do you keep from getting your hand in front of your face here? Not that people wouldn't appreciate that. But anyway, so that's it for sharpening these blades. And I'm going to have a in-depth 1-year review of this Cub Cadet here in just a couple of weeks. Stay tuned.